Hey guys, it's Shirley. Today we're going to solve this Leetcode medium problem called find largest value in each tree row. Given that we have a binary tree, return an array of the largest value in each row of the tree. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to use BFS to traverse through the binary tree, and BFS basically gets all the nodes in the same level. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through each level of the binary tree and find a max value in each level. So I imported the deck package from Python, and now I'm going to instantiate q equals deck, and then I'm going to append the root value to the q, and I'm going to instantiate a res output array, and then I'm going to loop through the q, and I'm going to take a size equals length q, loop through that, and now I'm going to pop out the node from the queue, the first node of the queue. Node equals q.pop left, and I'm going to append the value. Oh, first I have to before looping through size, before looping through the length of the queue, I'm going to instantiate a variable level, which is basically going to contain all the nodes in the same level. And then here I'm going to append the value of the node, and if there is a left child, I'm going to append that to the queue. If there's a right child, I'll append it to the queue as well. And then finally, I'm going to append the max value of each level to the resulting array. Now return the res. That works? Oh yeah. Also, before all of this, I'll take care of the edge case. If there's no root value, then return empty array. Alright, faster than 50%, A+. Thanks guys.